Hey YouTubers, we are back. It's 2018 and we're gonna get things kicked off a bit. Okay, so in lieu of February, which is Love Month, we are doing 50 Shades of Health and Beauty. We have some great videos lined up for you. I cannot wait for you to see them. And today we're doing a smoothie bowl. That's my new thing. Things go in a bowl. I love it. I usually do a shake, but I'm going to do it in a bowl. And I know whoever watched my last video will know that I'm all about green smoothies because I try to find the healthiest things for my skin. But I've done a lot of research and I'm reading that the more things you put in your body will help that too, not just your skin, but overall. And I have chosen to do this berry, which I had a lot of trouble finding and pronouncing. It is actually an acai. I was calling it Acai. I called it 100 things. And do you know that you can get an app on your phone that tells you how to speak things that you don't know what to say? Acai berry. So I am making an acai smoothie bowl for you today. So let's get started. Of course, I have the Vitamix, my favorite, always. And we are going to start with this acai berry mix that I found at a health food store. It's frozen. It comes like this. Now, I have never used this berry. I don't even know if I've ever tasted it in anything, so this will be new for me. And I did it because the color is like raspberry, pinkish color for the holiday month. So that goes right in there. Okay, I'm also going to add a little bit of mixed berries in there, just a little bit, not a lot. These bowls cute. It's like I'm the cooking show. It's like I'm the chew. And then this Greek yogurt. I use this Greek yogurt, and I do use the 2%, not the 0%. Listen, it's okay to have a little fat in your diet. There's nothing wrong with that. I might have had a little more than that, but that's it. I'm gonna put that right in there. Nice. I'm gonna try to keep it clean, keeping it clean here. I am going to put a banana in. Okay, so mixed fruit, banana, unsweetened vanilla almond milk. Okay. Just like that. I might have put a little too much, but that's okay. This will be a little bit more frozen too, so it'll actually be a little bit more chunkier when you put it into the bowl. Okay. Okay. I'm going to put this right on my Wait, I love this thing. Put this in. I'm going to start it up. Hopefully it's plugged in. Oh, it sure is. Okay, so once we have our desired consistency, which should be a little bit on the thick side because you are going to be eating this with a spoon, not a straw, we're going to pour it in our bowl. The reason also that I use Greek yogurt is for more protein. I don't get nearly enough protein like I should, so... And also to go back to this acai berry, it has double the antioxidants that blueberries have, which is really good for your heart since it's heart month. So here I have it in the bowl all ready for me to garnish. I'm going to put this little bit of banana on top and make it nice and pretty. I like things to be pretty, even if I'm gonna just eat them. I'm going to use these Chia Seeds. Just a sprinkle. Just a sprinkle. Great. I'm also going to put one strawberry on there. You don't get nuts because you don't want all this sugar, too much sugar. So you just, one will do. One will do. Tell people they can eat fruit. They'll be eating baskets of it. Okay, I'm also going to add in some unsalted toasted almonds, just a couple. And some unsweetened coconut. I love the smell of coconut. Just saying. I'm gonna add in some blueberries. size of these blueberries. Blueberries, very good for your heart, too. Okay, I'm gonna garnish with a little mint. And then last, well, you can use these, what are these called, Cassidy? Cacao nibs. Who came up with this name? Anyway, just to give yourself a little treat, little chocolatey treat. God, this is so pretty. I don't even want to eat it. Pinterest called. Just a drizzle. Good. Now I'm going to bring on my girl Viv to test it out and see what she thinks.
I'm super excited. She's been talking about this for days, and I am just...
Look at the color of it. It's fancy.
God, it's so pretty. Oh, I just messed it up. I should have took a picture before we did that. All right, well, I ruined it.
That's okay.
All right, so here we go. Here we go. I'm going to try a blueberry. Oh, my God.
Is it good?
Oh, my God, it's so good. What's the point of the Chia Seeds? What does that do? What are the benefits of the chai? We don't know. We don't know. We're supposed to know this.
I think it has to do with digestion and fiber, and I put it in a cute container.
Can I have
You have to share it with Anthony because he wants it.
Nope. He wouldn't try it on camera. He don't get it.
Nice. This is exciting. So yes, these are my new breakfast bowls that I'm doing, especially as the weather starts to warm up. I mean, I like to have something like chili in the morning and cold, and I get tired of eating oatmeal and egg whites. So this is a fun alternative to do. There's a ton of recipes. One app that I do use all the time is called Yummly, Yummly. It's awesome. You can put whatever diet that you're following or doing, comes up with like a ton of recipes. I put in acai. It came up with 1,000 things. So check that app out. It's so awesome. Get yourself a Vitamix. Get yourself these berries. Try it out. And for this recipe, check out my blog. And don't forget to like and subscribe and do something with that bell everybody's talking about. Okay, so excited. See you again.